The ATF's frame and receivers rule. What did the Supreme Court do yesterday? They extended the stay, but not for long. Maybe.
Before I jump into that, I want to thank the sponsor of the video, and that's the Sonoran Desert Institute. SDI is an accredited college. It's a distance learning institute where everything is mailed right to your door, where you can take individual classes or you can even earn your degree in classes such as ballistics or gunsmithing and the like. There's a ton of different options. You can check out their link down below. It's sdi.edu/GNG, and they even have financial aid available. Check them out, guys and gals, sdi.edu/GNG. Thanks to SDI for sponsoring this video.
All right, guys, if you haven't seen the video I did a couple days ago about the Supreme Court putting the frame and receiver rule back in effect, watch the video floating above if you're on YouTube. If not, I will have it pinned down below. You need to understand what's going on before I tell you this step. And to just sum it up, the frames and receivers rule was put back in effect. It was stayed by the United States Supreme Court, actually just Justice Alito, and he gave Firearms Policy Coalition and the government a couple days to get them some more information to consider this stay, or whether it will be an injunction from the Supreme Court or remanded, or there's a bunch of different avenues here. And yesterday was the deadline that Justice Alito extended the stay until August 4th of 2023. Well, yesterday I was waiting on bated breath to see what the Supreme Court was going to do, and this came out. This came from Justice Alito, and it says, upon further consideration of the application of counsel for the applicants, the responses, and the reply filed thereto, it is ordered that the stay issued on July 28th of 2023 is hereby extended until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Tuesday, August 8th of 2023. What does that mean? Well, it means that, just what it says, that the Supreme Court will address this probably Tuesday afternoon, evening, when they typically drop things at the end of the day, business day. But when they push things back, it typically can mean that a justice is writing a dissent of whatever the decision made is. I was talking to some prominent people who work with in and around politics yesterday, and we kind of believe that it's probably a justice like Sonia Sotomayor writing a dissent to whatever it is Justice Alito wrote regarding this frames and receivers rule by the ATF. Remember, ATF does not have legislative authority to change definitions that were set by Congress. Remember that, because we might see something about that on Tuesday, August 8th of 2023. And we'll also know what the dissent is by the party, of the group of judges, not the party, well, kind of the party, what they think about the majority decision here. So we have to wait a couple more days to find out what's going on with the frame and receiver rule, the redefining of frame and receiver by the ATF to try to jam up more folks and take more guns off the street. No law-abiding gun owners' guns are on the street, but, you know, facts, schmacks. Just wanted to give you this update here from Washington, D.C. Hopefully I will have some more news on this in the next couple days. And thank you all for your time. I appreciate each and every one of you. You want to stay in the know? You want to know what the Supreme Court says about this? Then all you got to do is subscribe to this channel down below, because I bring you Second Amendment news every single day. Good, bad, ugly, or indifferent, no matter where it happens in this great country. From litigation to legislation, Guns and Gadgets is the place to be. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Take care.